for my challenge this time is how to make people realize that the ayuda will not change their life. Bigyan natin yung ayuda sa mga nangangailangan, sa mga taong talagang kakailanganin, pero ang ayuda pantawid. They should expect more from people that they elect. Hindi lang yung ayuda. They should expect more in terms of services, in terms of helping them, sa providing proper health care for them. They should expect their legislators to fight for better education for their children. They should expect legislators to be able to provide ample or decent housing for the homeless. They should expect the legislators to fight for a better economy so yung mga taong walang trabaho, magkatrabaho naman. And they should expect more from people they vote. Pinakamadaling gawin sa lahat, magbigay ng pera. Hindi mo nga kailangan nasa posisyon kung gusto mong magbigay ng pera eh. And masisipag ang mga Pilipino, huwag natin silang gawin tamad. Let's help people who needs help, but let's also encourage them to stand on their own 2 feet.